Yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. Get that popcorn ready. Because you know what time it is. It's time for a legendary two-wheelian to make his return. He's been gone for a while, but the legendary Harleyans, the Harley Davidson boys, are back in the building, ready to take that wrist and give it a mighty twist. Can the boys in blue calm these wild, crazy Harleyans down? Or will the Harleyans light that wrist on fire? Tell the devil, I need you to open wide and shove that wrist all the way down his throat and make the boys in blue look like clowns. Let's have a reaction. Action. Let's get sinister. Is that him right there? Oh, that's definitely him. Yeah, but body on earth, wrist twist from hell. Here come my Harley Toes devil. I hope you're ready. Okay, he moving off the gate. We got the Harley boys. What can they do? We've been waiting for the Harleyans to do their thing. Let's see what they can do. And he in the country, so he shouldn't have no problem getting busy. Oh, he almost hit the car. What is he doing? He was almost roadkill. Okay, he moving. We know one thing for sure, two things for certain. This is a Chad Ookie. There's a Chad Ookie on a Harley Davidson. What is he slowing down? Why is he slowing down? Oh, it's a curve, my bad. Why all Harley Davidson boys don't never wear their helmet? They got to be the coolest motorcycle riders of all time. They never got their helmet on. I know them bugs be smacking the snot out of their forehead. You ever rode a motorcycle real fast without a helmet? Them bugs feel like young rocks. Them bugs will beat you black and blue. Definitely moving though. They doing 100, so he look like he doing about 120, 130. Man, he took off on him. Oh my goodness. Dang. He took that wrist and gave it a mighty twist. He moving like the neighborhood freak, moved through everybody in the neighborhood. She gets real nasty with it, and I love her because she's some good street meat. Who don't like a good piece of street meat? And he cruising too, he having a good time. He cruising without a care in the world. Those Chad Ookies, for some reason, Chad Ookie is fearless. I wonder why. Could it be a little bit of privilege? This is Arkansas? What is Justin Paris doing? Officer Justin Paris. Now, if that would have been a regular colored Pookie that looks like me, I would have to say he would be roadkill by now. I gotta go out on a limb and say, if that was a regular Pookie, you would have been a lot closer. Unless that Harley is faster than I think. What kind of Harley is this, y'all? I'm not really familiar with Harleys. I've never really been a Harley guy. I'm a street bike guy. My last bike was a Z900, Kawasaki Z900. That was my last bike. And that thing was fast. I got, I can't even tell you how fast I got. I almost got myself a ticket. 80. The cop doing 83, so I'm gonna go out on a limb and say that he doing at least 100. I say about 100, maybe 95 to 100. Now he pulling away. He definitely doing over 100. Look at him. I just ain't never seen a fast Harley Davidson. I'm just keeping it 100. I have yet to see one that's super fast. This one seems a lot faster than usual, though. I'm impressed he keeping a distance. I wish he would have a helmet on, though. I hate to say it, if he hit one wrong turn, one wrong pebble, one wrong raccoon running out in front of him, he's a goner. He gonna get his wings. And I ain't talking about Red Bull.
South on Highway 31.
Oh, I thought he was gonna keep straight. Oh, he going to the country road. This officer is showing him mercy. He could have pitted him right there. Oh, he on the country road. He know where he going, y'all. He know these roads. Bubba knows these roads. I know these roads. I chewed tobacco when I was 17 on the back of these roads. I had a cold bunch of honey dips back here. I had me a super freak. I used to call her Fly. A fly means she real nasty, so you know I like to call her my fly. I had me a fly girl, you know, real nasty. We're gonna start calling nasty girls flies, because flies are nasty. I know. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. We love you, ladies. Oh, he definitely getting busy, y'all. This is it. See, this is the bike's advantage. Where'd he go? Did he disappear? Open up the portal. I'm coming through on a Harley. Oh my goodness. Where did he go? Which way did he go? Oh my goodness, we might have seen one of the greatest escapes of all time. Oh my goodness, he may have pulled off the greatest escape of all biker time. Which way did he go? Which way did he go?
I believe it's a 700 series motorcycle, 713 Henry Zebra. Subject got on a ball cap facing backwards, red hair, greenish gray t-shirts, brown pants.
Oh my goodness, 1022. Officer Justin Parrish, we would like you to report back to the station, bring your badge and your gun and your outfit. And also the keys to your cruiser. You're fired. Look at him, he angry too. I guarantee his head is El Caliente. His head is on fire. Literally, you can make marshmallows off the top of his head.
He didn't come south.
Oh my goodness. Meet me in the comments. I called out the Harleyans, and guess what? They said, you know what? Let me sing you something real quick, T-Light. We tired of you talking mess about the Harley Davidson boys, the Harleyans. We're tired of it. Here you go. And look what they sent me. They sent me one of the greatest escapes of all time, 2 William style. He pulled a Harry Houdini. That's who? Harry Potter and Houdini mixed. Alakazam, zam, zalaka, boom. And he was gone. We don't know if he went left or right. Which way did he go? All I know is he went the way of an escape. Actually, extra humiliation to Officer Justin Parrish. Justin Parrish, report to the front of the congregation with your musty ass. Come on up here. Come on down. You just got played. You just got made to look like a bona fide fool. You were showing all that mercy. Usually the Arkansas police don't show any mercy. They will put you to the ground immediately. Look, he could have put him to the ground right here, but he was showing them some slack. Now, I'm gonna go out on a limb and say if there was a Pookie or a Heck Ookie or a Lee Ookie, I don't think he would have been as nice. I don't think he would have been as caring. If you ask me, I think he would have said, roadkill time. But hopefully y'all enjoyed the chase. It was a wonderful chase. Shout out to the Harleyans. I guess your return was mighty. I guess your return was great. I guess we got to put you up there with greatness, because that's what I saw today. Shout out to all the Harley Davidson riders out there. We love you. And I guess you proved me wrong. You can get away. Quite stylish. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to what? Drop me a couple of those hype points in my Avengers Cup. If you ain't got no more hype points, it's all good. Just give me a like and a fair comment. And if you can share this to all of your social medias, it will be much appreciated. And also, shout out to Hot Pursuits. Go subscribe to Hot Pursuits. Go show them some love and tell them the King Werewolf sent you. I love you, Hot Pursuits. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep growing that channel. Keep working. We gonna make it to the top one day. I love you, baby. But with that being said, let me leave you with some positivity. Your job for the week, make them hate on you a little bit more. Make them turn the hate up a little bit more. Give them something to hate on you for. Make them say, I can't stand him or her. Because you're doing so good. You keep on winning. You keep on winning. Do not take the pressure off of those haters. You make them earn that haters badge that they got. You give them everything that you got every day. You wake up and you keep getting out there and you keep winning, Werewolf Pack. Don't you stop winning. Don't you give up. Do not let the haters win. You're winning right now. Do not give in. Do not let up. Keep giving them what they want. They want to see you doing good so they can keep on hating on you. Listen, the hate is, sometimes you think hate is bad, but it's really good. It's just them letting you know that they see you. It's just them admiring your work, your greatness, your shine, your glitter. Big shout out to y'all. Keep on doing what? Putting that pressure on those haters. I love you, but, and there always is a but, if you gonna get your Super Saiyan diabolical wings, I'm talking about your treacherous wings, I'm talking about your sinister wings, can you please, and listen to me when I say this, can you please do it on a Harley Davidson?